Major U.S. stocks look to turn things around. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNets, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Apple looks like it's going to open higher for the Monday session, which is no surprise after we've seen the tariffs on Chinese made and imported electronics scaled back to the original 20%. So the market will have to reprice what Apple will have to pay to have its products made. At this point in time, it looks like we're going to gap higher about $20 or basically 1 to 1.5%. At this point, we could also see the market continue to go much higher, trying to fill the gap, which is going to be found near $223. Volume has been picking up over the last couple of days, so this could have a little bit of follow through. But whether or not it actually will change the trend remains to be seen. In the short term, though, it certainly looks like Apple will be a big winner. Amazon also looks like it's going to gap a little bit higher, although not in as much of a drastic manner. Amazon does look like it's trying to form some type of bottoming pattern here, but it's also worth noting that it has a major potential resistance barrier near the 200-day EMA, which is also at the $200 level. The 50-day EMA is starting to drop towards it, giving off the so-called death cross, but I typically find that is a very late signal. If we can break above all of that, then the trend will change. But right now, I think we're just looking at a short-term bounce. And finally, Google, or Alphabet, looks like it's going to gap higher as well, with a potential target near the $167 level. Nonetheless, this is a market that I think is still negative and will be for quite some time. So best case scenario, we get a little bit of a bounce and then we start to go sideways in order to try to form some type of bottoming pattern. We'll have to wait and see. But really at this point in time, I think you have a situation where the market is just simply reflecting the latest headline coming out of the White House. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.